Guys, today we are going to explain what is Azure Free Services and how to avail. Azure Free account include access to a number of Azure products that are free for a 12 month. Azure will credit you 3300 credit to spend for the first 30 days. Once you sign up and access to more than 25 products that are always free. The following products are always free for monthly. Okay, in this like a 5000 transaction with tax and text analytics standard instance that will provide you 12 month. Every free service will provide you a 12 month, but there we have some certain limitations that I'll explain you. In a transaction, that transaction means 5000 transaction, it will be inbound or outbound transactions you can avail for analytics. Okay, and 20,000 transaction anomaly detector that is free for 12 months. 500 pages form recognizer that is free. Like that you have a number of transactions, and number of things are free that you have to keep in mind before using the free tier Azures. Okay, here you have free services of S1, S2, S3. I'm just talking about only some important point. The S1, S2, S3 is storage services which Azure is providing for communicating from outsider to inside. Okay, and Azure will give you some managed disk. That disk is 128 GB. It will provide that will combine to 64 GB. SSD storage, it will provide you something like on an average disk space, and you have 400 provisional throughout Azure Cosmos DB, 5 GB blob storage with 2000 read and 10,000 write operation. Like that you do have some limitation to 50 GB of SQL database standard for 12 months, and 15 GB bandwidth for outbound data transfer with free unlimited inbound transfer. Okay, and 750 hours Azure will provide you virtual machine. So in this every area there is some limitations. Okay, so as I inform you, let's say 128 GB managed instance. So 128 GB managed instance costs how much, that you have to keep in mind before availing this features, as Azure is providing you 3300 free services. Microsoft is providing Indian rupees. So based on that rupees, what all things you have to purchase, that you have to keep in mind. Based on that you have to calculate and purchase this. Okay, after once this free credit is you spend it, then Azure will give you some pop-up. If you want to renew, pay for a pay that you can do after uh, renewing the services. And some service, as I inform you, that is like a paid service. Some service is always free. Okay, that service is like a Cosmos DB, IoT Central, Azure Map, bandwidth, inbound and outbound 5 GB, and Azure App Service, Azure Functions, Event Grid, Azure Active Directory, Azure Active Directory B2C, Azure Fabric, Azure DevOps, Application Side, Azure Dev Test Lab. Like that, we do have some free services from Azure. That things you have to keep in mind and take that. And before going ahead and test, kindly visit once Azure free tier cost and Azure cost calculations. If it is free, then you can go ahead and take, and if it is costable and how much it is charged, based on that just take some part of the tool, and take advantage of that tool itself which is free, or else it will be very complicated to test within that cost. Okay, so you have to keep in mind each and every steps before testing. Thank you so much. I believe this video is very helpful for you, and if you want this kind of video be regularly, so kindly subscribe me and support me so that you can get very recent video